Amasain si baile vekule tuntrum chu Mother's Day kan chung ina kan mandan tlem karon share ang chule hey rinlo takin visitor kan nei tlat mai.
What a surprise! Mother's Day gift. Lom omle ro pui tak kan dong ani chu enge niang oh ka puchak to he very special people ka havan lom. Thank you.
You're welcome. Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you.
Kathil mamo tak min ron penge mai level lom em.
Today's Mother's Day. I'm going to help Emmy in her garden.
Yeah, thank you so much, Mite. We got lots of work to do, and we need to get the soil from the basketball court. Runetea hi asam hi nu lo ti dum phi ta ya. Sam dum ma duai asam lo ti dum da ya. Ma se nakena chuanin sampang ai kha chu ron om vele ma yang. Mother's Day ya kan na kan thok don ni hi Huan lama na kan han thok trang phut ma yang e. It's not that heavy, right? Bite arit vak lo kha it is wang, but yeah, it's not that bad, right? Ka raised bed pa mi tur organic soil kan han da don ani athara mi tur Runetea hian chuan an lo kala piang hian weekend a engtil lai pon na min thopui pe ya lom em ani pathian mal somna tak mek mewani thun oi boxi. You get the rest of the soil and we put it here, okay? Kan mystery in ka raised bed pakhat min siam sakha chalo lutuka kan pai man tlak reng lo tia. Nether bulak khan obite khata khan nakina kan siam thale ang chu. Okay. Tomato himo I have a rope that we are going to get the trellis, okay? I think that's good. Yeah. Hey. Samtawk kan phun don ni hi. Do you need a glove right there? I'll get you a glove. All right. And we will make the trellis for the tomatoes. Ita hianin raised bed da katuma ma se kada le lo jok do na mun danga kada do na heta hianin
Holes look big enough.
yeah alian tok bite very good khatiang khan tiro dang kha ka samtawk ten phun chuan ma mo to lutuk ka hei samtawk bisom kan da thei emang chu mo hela hianin samtawk da na tur ani kan pa ve thong kan raised bed tur hin han
Is it it's not coming out?
dona hi amami kha siam thalo lutuk ka an thom thadon ani hi. Are you going to put something in the middle, honey? I mean, it's kind of warp a little bit, so.
You didn't put it together. Look at that gap.
Really good. Okay, that's good. Do it out to all. Hey, later let manure. Them can hun. Okay. Mix fek put lamo bit the vine. Okay, very good. All right, mix that. We get the plants out. Try it. Put it upside down slowly. Squeeze it slowly at the bottom. Yeah. Squeeze it down. Hold it tight, and kind of spread the bottom a little bit. Yeah, and now put it in and put the soil that's outside now. Yeah. Thiam Lutuk bit there. If you don't have enough, use the other soil from the other hole you dug out. Yeah. Okay, that's very good. But there, Thiam Lutuk. Okay. Get that one. Yeah, put it right there. Like, squeeze it right here. Do this raw. Let's do this raw first. Okay, kind of. Yeah, open up the bottom a little bit. No, take it out, like kind of. No, okay. Okay. Do we have enough soil there? Okay. One Thiam em. Oh, but there Thiam Lutuk.
Is that good?
Yeah, just pat it down a little bit. Yeah. Maybe a little bit more soil. Grab it from the other side. Yeah.
Is that good?
Yeah, that's good. Yeah, grab the soil from there. We're gonna have plenty. So, Thiam. Yes, asam hi say lutuka. At na tho zong in aron plan na sa lutuka. Asam kanton cho sakpot ani. Thiam to lutuk. Straighten out a little bit. Thiam lutuk bit there. A little bit more soil. Yeah. Okay.
Good?
That's very good, but there. So now you're gonna help your papa. He needs to get wood.
They're like 8 feet long. They're long strips. They're stacked up
Phun.
there. I need 2 strips. 2 long strips.
An chor le very ngai ni hi thing la turin. Hey, apu hianin kan raise bed chen khat min siam sakha thalot ya. Kasiam sakle don chet ya. Kan han ti thale ni boy thla khop mai. Kan luka pui nuai hian kan thing extra ho kha kan store china. Not the white one, but there.
Which one?
Something like that, but yeah.
This isn't 8 feet long.
You can still use it. Show it to Papa. Give that to Papa. For in Mother's Day, he lung len thak katia. Kanunen Mother's Day. Yan na kan thok chin ani leng in huana. Kan na tho lai ni ya. Ka tho pui thei hun ani ya Mother's Day hi. Chuwang chuanin kanu helai kan in Zirtir 2002 Trangkhan huan khi kanu hian na nei chara ti chuan Mother's Day hianin khwalo lum tran to boka samtrok te an thur te kan ching thina chu kumten kan ti dan ania kanu om talowa kalung aleng emema kanu sulnu karon chui ve ya kanu khan adam line an thura ni nga em thina ni anuam katia huan ne hian min tilim em boxia ti hian pathian hian ma som min pe ya thatak hian ka huan hi kumtin ka ne ya ka e sen lo hi ka ne ya kalom ve em tun kuma chuanin Runetea Mother's Day in min han puya kalom hle mai anuam tak ani kan pa in khi lama khianin raised bed min han siam sak boka kan thing nei sania chu samaya. Thanks for helping on Mother's Day. Appreciate. How are we doing?
It's rough. One step at a time.
Should I get another scissors? But there, you got it? Okay, kan tomato shui sunnatur an siamme kan hi bite hianin. You think we have enough? We need 27. I have 27 tomato plants, so
Yeah.
okay. All right. Ta hianin han thok na sanya. Okay. Thank you, but there, finte, an tour tiro, an.
ka an thur phun chwa tur okay
khwala vot deuh ma se kan thur te kha an len to ema wangin leya oman chak ngoi ngoi to chu wang chuan kan phun chhuaka tin hela hianin ka seng khan tomato po somni pasari helai te hian kan phuna chen chu an para an ron ra tan ve to lom om tak mewani Vilang in Mother's Day kan tho no wa da kan lo kal lo ka ngai bi ngun te nen ka ti thi na tur lai pai pe le nga ya kan lo kal lo kan hi an hok mai nan hok che to hei to nan tu ten weekend tina an lo kala na che min han tho pui te hi avan lom om em o ka ti chen
Happy Mother's Day, Emmy. I'm glad to have helped you out in your garden.
thank you so much Rooney and I appreciate it is a really good Mother's Day and I got my flowers from my husband and I got this microphone from Lexi and Puitea and I got some nice good stuff from my daughter Daphne and I got some stuff from the church also that they sent through Runetea. Good Mother's Day 2026. God is good.
Thank you for watching Emmy's channel. Kanlome.
Kanlome, thank you.
ole khati zong kha nimin Mother's Day ya kan ni mandan kalu share chu an ni le ta ka channel lo en tu te zong ne na lom thu karon soya an la subscribe lo ten lo subscribe in lo like zel don ania. Thank you so much and God bless.